What is going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a mini Keurig. Basically, this one right here is one of those single serve Keurig that you can buy, and you can brew like a, what is it, an 8 ounce, a 10 ounce, and a 12 ounce. So yeah, right here I have me like an 8 ounce cup, and I just brewed me a cup of coffee. So I want to do a little test on that. I'm dying for some coffee right now, early in the morning. So yeah, I just want me a cup of coffee. But let me just touch on that before I take a sip of it. Right here, as you can see, the aesthetic is amazing. There is pretty much no other Keurig out there that looks like this. This is one of the best looking one that I've ever seen. We opt to get the white one because, well, come on, with a Keurig like this, you gotta get some kind of cool aesthetic look to it, right? So I opt to get the white one. There are some cool other colors out there that you can get with this Keurig, and I think they did a great job with this thing. Literally they focus on design on this one right here, and I love the design of this thing. This one right here, you can brew a 8 ounce, a 10 ounce, and a 12 ounce cup. And so right here I have me an 8 ounce cup, and it is pretty full when it comes to brewing an 8 ounce cup. So yeah, this one right here, I think I can fit a I don't know, a 12 ounce cup in there, because you can remove this little tray right here, and it gives you some more room for you to put a bigger cup in there. So yeah, I think it's possible. Speaking of the tray, it has this tray right here where basically, you know, if there's any mishap or anything like that, you can just take this out and just pour the excess coffee out of there. But there you have it. Yeah, it's as simple as that. The water reservoir is actually pretty nice. It is pretty tall, I would say. Let me see if I can turn this thing around. So as you can see, the water reservoir right here, it can handle quite a bit. I did an 8 ounce cup, and it only took about this much water right here. But with this much water in the reservoir, it actually is telling me to add water. There's an add water functionality on here, and it's blinking right now, so if you can see that. So besides that, I think everything else about this Keurig is, well, if you've owned a Keurig before, you know a Keurig. You just buy the little pots, you pop it in here, and boom, that's it. So the one thing is different about this though, versus my other Keurig, is look how many holes it punched on this. Look how many holes. Look at this. Look at this. It punched about 5 holes in there, versus my other Keurig punched only 1 hole right on top. This thing really impressed me. They definitely have upgraded since my last Keurig, which is like a couple years ago. So they've built in the entire controls on top right here, included in with the little lever that lifts up and down. And this thing comes out really smooth, really smooth. My old Keurig actually used to make quite a bit of noise whenever I close it, like a ka-chow, you know, but here it is super smooth. So guys, that's it right there. That is the Keurig, the mini Keurig, I would say. And it looks fantastic. It looks much better here in real life than it is on a picture in Amazon. So I would recommend getting this thing. It looks fantastic.